Good morning and welcome to Sewell, Excellence for You. I'm Manuel Castro, and today we're spotlighting a true icon in the world of trucks, the Ford F-150, respectfully known for its rugged durability, versatility, and innovation. The F-150 is designed for whatever roads lie ahead. Whether it be rigorous jobs or weekend adventures, the F-150 strikes the perfect balance between functionality and comfort, offering multiple powertrain options, including the 5.0-liter V8 and the available Power Boost hybrid, which perfectly blends performance and efficiency at a given moment. Inside the F-150, you'll find cutting-edge technology designed to make your driving experience effortless with driver assistance features like Ford Co-Pilot 360, an intuitive infotainment system in Sync 4, and the available Pro Power Onboard, turning your truck into a mobile generator, perfect for powering any job, tailgate, or camping trip. You're not just driving a truck, you're driving innovation. Thank you for joining us today as we've explored the Ford F-150. Whether you're looking for power, dependability, or advanced drivability, the F-150 delivers on all fronts. Visit us at Sewell and experience the Ford F-150 for yourself and see why it's the truck that steers the way. Until next time, drive safe and stay excellent, my friends.
Excellence, whether on or off the road.